Hi, hello, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to see how to enable the God mode in Windows 11. And as we can see, I already created a folder which I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to create an empty folder again. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename it. If you see, it's a new folder. That's the name of this new folder. Now I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to rename it as this, and I'm going to leave the God mode, this text in the description. You can probably utilize it. After this, you can click on enter, and the icon of the folder changes something like this. And if you're going to double click on it, you can see a plenty of different options that are available in the Windows 11 that are available right now in one place, and you can see it one by one by yourself. Hope you like this video. If so, hit on that like button and do subscribe to our channel for the similar videos. Thank you.